In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a straightforward, effective way to remove unwanted text from your videos in CapCut without using any blur, which can often look distracting or unprofessional. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use CapCut's crop tool to get a clean result that keeps your video looking sharp. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up CapCut and add your video to the timeline. Make sure you place your video onto the main track. This is important so every change you make is properly applied. If this is your first time working with CapCut, just drag and drop your video clip onto the timeline at the bottom of your screen. This is where all your editing magic happens. Now, once your video is in place, look over to the toolbar. You'll need to find the crop option. It often looks like a square with a little pair of scissors. Click on it, and you'll notice that your video is surrounded by adjustable borders. Here's where the trick comes in. You're going to crop out the area with the text. Adjust those handles, making sure to carefully move the frame so the text is completely cut off. Take your time with this part. It's like framing a photo in a picture frame. You want to make sure only the best parts are showing and that nothing distracting remains on the edges. Don't rush. Sometimes it takes a little fiddling to get the crop just right. Here's a quick tip. This method works best if the unwanted text is right at the edge of your screen. So, for example, if you have a watermark in the bottom right corner or some subtitles along the bottom, cropping is perfect. If the text is in the middle, you might need to explore other methods or get creative. But for edge-of-screen text, cropping is efficient and keeps your video crisp. Once you're happy and the text area is gone, confirm the crop. In CapCut, this is usually done by clicking a check mark or a little done button. Take a moment to review your video and make sure you haven't accidentally cropped out anything important. Sometimes, especially with footage that's tightly framed, you might lose a little bit on the edges. So double-check that vital parts of your subject aren't missing. Now you're ready to export your video. Just head up to the Export button, usually at the top right, and select your preferred settings. CapCut lets you pick resolution and format, so choose what makes sense for your project. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can remove unwanted edge text from your video without resorting to blurry patches or distracting overlays. It's a clean solution, especially handy for things like social media clips or promo materials, where a professional look matters. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. It really helps out. And drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into a tricky situation. I'm always happy to help. And for more easy, useful editing tips in CapCut and beyond, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss a new tutorial. Thanks for watching and happy editing.